Hi friends, welcome to Circle Time with Miss Cristina. I'm happy everyone's here today. Let's begin Circle Time with our song. It's time to start our day. It's time to start our day. It's time to give a great big cheer and then be on our way. How is everyone feeling today? Let's take a look at our chart. Are you feeling excited? Are you feeling sad? Are you angry? Are you feeling tired? Are you unhappy? Are you happy? Are you surprised? Are you afraid? Take a moment, tell me. Well, I'm feeling excited. It's a new week. Okay, now let's go over some virtual learning rules. So during virtual learning and circle time, we keep our legs crossed or sit still. This will help you focus and pay attention. The same thing with your hands. Try to keep your hands to yourself. You see how nice she's sitting? And your ears are listening. And you listen, you learn. And eyes that are watching, pay attention to all the cool pictures and the story. Lips are sip. When you are quiet, you're listening and you're paying attention. And when you pay attention, you learn. And when you learn, you grow. Okay, thank you. I would now like to introduce a special friend. Her name is Grandma. And Grandma wants to tell you all about the letter C. And this is how you sign the letter C. Can we skywrite C? Tracy. Give you a moment to trace. Now, what begins with C? We have cow. Cook. That's the sound of the letter C in the word cow. C makes the k sound. Clock. Cake. Cat. Computer. And carrot. Carrot. Now Grandma has a riddle for us. Let's listen to her clues to solve the riddle. Okay, are you ready for the clue? I am a female farm animal that gives milk. I can be milked by hand or machine. My babies are called cows. My name begins with C. What am I? What farm animal milks by hand or machine? Are cats give us milk? Do we drink milk from kittens or cats? No. What animal could it be? Yes, very good. It's a cow. Good job solving Grandmother's riddle. Okay, now say bye-bye, Grandma. It is calendar time, and the month is February. We are in the second week of this month. First, let's spell out February. February. Very good spelling. Now let's count the days up to the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today's Monday, February 8th. Let's go over a day. Today is Monday. Today's Monday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. How's the weather today? Let's sing the weather song. How's the weather? How's the weather like today? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? Is it stormy? Take a look outside your window. Today is a snowy day. It's a nice day to go and build a snowman or just look out the window and this beautiful snow. Can we spell out snowy? S-N-O-W-Y. Snowy. The shape for this week is the heart. The shape of the month is heart. You see how the heart is? It's 2 semicircles put together. So let's look at some things that are heart-shaped. This leaf is shaped as a heart. Isn't it pretty? And here I have these fun, cool glasses are heart-shaped. And I have a heart-shaped necklace. It's also very beautiful. And last, I have a heart cake. Heart-shaped cake. So, can we point to the heart shape? Where do you see heart? Is this a heart? This shape has 4 sides. No, this is a rectangle. Yes, very good pointing. This is the heart. Now I will show you 2 other objects and I would like for you to point. Where is the heart? Very good. Up here, this balloon is crescent shape. Good job, friends. Thank you. The number of the week is the number 11. To write 11, you put 2 ones. 11. Let's count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can we find 11 on the number chart? Is this number 11? No, very good. It's not the number 11. That's number 8. Here's number 11. 11 comes after 10. Very good counting. It is now time to introduce our friend Gingerbread Boy. And Gingerbread Boy's message is, I went for a walk last night and saw the moon shining. Is there really a man in the moon? Not really a man in the moon, but up in space, we might find an astronaut doing work. Up in space, we see the moon. We also see different planets. Our planet that we're in is Earth. Planet Earth has no light of its own. But every morning when we come to school or when we go outside, what do we see? Where does Earth get its light? The sun is a daytime star. And do you remember where the moon gets its light? From the sun. The sun shines also on the moon behind it. And we have a moon at night shining. What else do we see at night? We see stars. Gingerbread wants to tell you that there are billions of other stars. The stars are always staying in the sky, but we don't see them because it's so bright. Star. But we do see them twinkle at night. They look very, very tiny, but stars are bigger than planets. Okay, thank you for learning about space. Can you say bye-bye, Gingerbread Boy? Bye. See you next time. It is now time for story time. The title of this book is called The Planets by Gail Gibbons. So I'm going to read some of the pages. It's a very long book, so I won't be reading it at all. On a clear night, when stars shine brightly, you might see what looks like another star. But each night, it changes position in the star pattern. It is a planet. The word planet comes from the Greek word meaning wanderer. A planet is different from a star. People can see a planet because the sun shines on it. A star shines because it is made up of gases that give us light and heat. Our sun is a star. Nearly every star is much bigger than the biggest planet. So stars are very, very big. Can you point to the sun? Very good pointing. See what else is going on here. The planet Earth is where we live. It is one to the 9 planets that circles the sun. Together they make up the main part of the solar system. The word solar means connected to the sun. You see all of the planets around the sun? The 9 planets circle around the sun in paths called orbits. The time it takes for a planet to travel around the sun, it's year. Each planet year is different. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is the only planet known to have just the right environment for plants, animals, and people to live in. Earth is 93 million miles from the sun. The planet Earth has just enough gravity to hold its atmosphere around it. Earth has a moon. The moon causes the tides to change, making them rise and fall. Each orbits the sun in about 365 days to make a year. It rotates every 24 hours to make an Earth day. Can you find Earth? Very good, that's Earth. Okay. And last page. Here on planet Earth, astronomers search the skies through telescopes. Spacecraft are sent in the solar system and beyond in search of new discoveries. We are always learning about the planets, the stars, and what lies beyond. It is fun to search the night sky for a planet and star from the Earth. Can you find the stars? Yep, there it is. Thank you. The end. Skipping, skipping, skipping. Skipping everywhere.
But stop when I say freeze! Everybody, get ready to twirl!
Swirling, swirling all around. Swirling, swirling, swirling. Swirling everywhere.
But stop when I say
Freeze!
everybody, get ready to dance!
Dancing, dancing all around. Dancing, dancing, dancing.
Dancing any way you please. But stop when I say freeze!
Good dancing. Thank you, friends.
Now remember,
Let's move our bodies with dragon. Let's do the freeze dance.
and when I say
Are you ready?
dance! Dancing, dancing all around.
Dancing. Look how dragon dances.
Dancing any way you please. But stop when I say
Freeze.
everybody, get ready to hop!
Hopping, hopping all around. Hopping, hopping, hop. Look how dragon hops.
But stop when I
It is now art time, and we are going to build a rocket. We've been talking about planets and the space earlier with Gingerbread Boy. Now it's time to build a rocket. And first, you just grab a few pieces of construction paper, different colors or however you like it. So let's begin. First, I will cut a large rectangle. I'm going to draw it out first. I chose blue. Next, so this is going to be the body of the rocket. And I chose red for the top, and it's going to be triangle shapes. Perfect activity to go over shapes. Next, I'll choose purple for the inside, like a little window or something. And yellow for another two small triangles. I'm gonna fold it. Oh, it came out tiny. That's okay. I think I'm ready. So now let's glue it together. I'm gonna use a glue stick. And here's my rocket with shade. You see I have a rectangle, triangle, square, and more triangles. Thank you, friends, for joining me in circle time this week. See you next time. For this activity, we will create a letter C and we'll decorate it like if it's a carrot. C for carrot. So I just need this white paper and some construction paper, some scissors to cut out squares, and of course glue. Let's begin. I'm gonna do like a bubble letter style C. Here we are. And now I'm gonna cut out the square. The trick, just cut a strip, then fold it. And cut up one side. Open it and finish cutting. And that's how you get your tiny little squares off just one strip. And we're just going to glue. If you want to add more squares, you can. Just gonna leave it like that for now. And I have green tissue paper here. Just to make it more fun. And here's C for carrot. How fun it is.